Hi, I'm Tom Bodette. 4 years ago, in an empty warehouse space in Brattleboro, Vermont, I founded, along with some friends and collaborators, a community workshop called HatchSpace. Our vision was simple: to create a place for woodworkers to make things together and to mentor those who want to learn. What I learned was that my community needed something totally different, and that difference is what gets me out of bed each day and has me heading to Houston to meet with you. I'm excited to share that story with you. For now, I'd like to show you what we've built. We're now an 8,000 square foot facility in the heart of a small southern Vermont town. We have the tools and equipment needed to build almost anything from wood. Our facility is made up of 4 essential shops along with spillover workspace. We offer our members a bench room for handwork and basic tool care. We have an intermediate shop where most of our classes take place. A small CNC studio provides access to a desktop mill and laser engraving. And we have a pro shop where the big tools live, tools most folks can't afford to stick in their home shop. As my team and I have worked to open and grow this space, interrupted by a pandemic and relocated to a larger building, we've learned a lot. We've learned that people were changed by the COVID crisis and are looking for something more in their lives, more of what matters. What started as a place to learn woodworking has become a thing that matters. Making things changes people, and people are hungry for that change. I think we're on to something important here, the kind of public space that brings all kinds of people together to work and solve problems, a place for young people and old to learn from each other. Places like HatchSpace are what we need more of in American life right now. I can't wait to meet you, share our story, and see whether we can't build something incredible together.